All right, now I've got both legs sewed up except for a little hole here. And this next part is a little invasive to our little sock monkey. They usually don't like it, but now what you have to do is stick your finger up this little hole and turn him inside out. And so it's, the hole's about 1 inch in diameter, so it's kind of a narrow gap, but you should be able to get everything through it. I mean, I'm going to kind of start with the head. Be careful not to stretch it too much or rip the seam, but just kind of work it through and kind of start with that. And okay, well, here comes most of the head, and here he comes. Great. And then, oh, now we got the butt turned inside out. That's good. Now it's a little bit trickier because you have to actually individually now through the hole turn each leg inside out too. So think of it kind of like turning a glove inside out, where you'd have to kind of get to the end of each of those little fingers. So I'm kind of like, I've got my finger down in this leg and I'm kind of cinching it up, sort of like putting a sock on, I guess, sort of like putting a sock or stockings on. And I'm going to kind of spin it around and try and sort of poke it through. Here it comes. So that'll be one leg. I can just get it started here. Let's see here. Come on, little monkey leg. There we go. Okay. One leg, and just going to kind of pull the toe out. And got one more leg to do. So we've got to go in that hole and kind of navigate your way. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, here it is. You have to kind of navigate your way down into this little leg. I think I'm doing this right. Where's the, looks right. And just kind of get the end of it here to the end. I'm going to kind of bunch it up. I'm going to kind of poke it through. There we go. Grab. Be kind of gentle because, you didn't, make these seams. I mean, hopefully you made the seams sort of strong, but they're not super strong. Great. Okay, here we go. Now he's right side, right side out, but legs. But now these legs are a couple little tubes, and this little hole that you left is where you will stuff the head and the body, and you stuff the legs there. So we're going to just set that aside for now and work on some of the other body parts.